Our solar system. Sun.
Hello and welcome to the series Our Solar System. Where should we begin our journey? Of course, from our host star, the Sun. Violet, let's go!
The Sun is the largest object in our solar system. Sun is the center of our solar system. All planets in our solar system revolve around the Sun. Our Sun formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago. Our Sun has enough fuel to last at least another 5 billion years. It is so massive that you could fit 1.3 billion Earths inside it. Sun is not only massive but also extremely hot. The temperature inside the Sun is 5600 degrees Celsius.
Hope you liked the video. Our next stop, Mercury.
I hope you liked the video and I will come up again with another interesting science story in my next video. Please do like and subscribe if you would like to follow my science stories.